Welcome to Yes You Can channel. If you're unable to erase all contents and settings on your old iPhone, then stay tuned and I will show you what to do to rectify this issue. This is my old iPhone, so what I had to do is go to your iCloud account in settings, toggle off Find My, and then when you tap into that you will see Find My iPhone. You need to turn this off, so let me show you. Enter your Apple ID password to deactivate Find My iPhone. So now I've entered the password. I've toggled off Find My iPhone. Now we can begin to erase all contents. So once you have successfully signed out of iCloud account, you need to scroll down to General. Tap onto this. Scroll all the way down. Transfer or reset iPhone. Tap onto that. Erase all contents and settings. Tap onto that. Now it will show you what you need to delete. Yeah, apps and data, because we already signed out of iCloud manually. That was the issue. That was the bug. So now tap onto continue. Enter your passcode for your iPhone. Now tap onto erase iPhone. This will start the process of formatting your internal data on your iPhone. So anything you have will be formatted, completely wiped for the new user. Or maybe you want to reuse your iPhone again. Let me fast forward this video now to save time. Once you have formatted your iPhone, you will be on the welcome screen where all your data has been erased and logged out of iCloud. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe, comment below and tell me if you have encountered this bug where you cannot erase your data and contents on your old iPhone, and after watching this video you have. Peace. Thank you for watching, guys.